Hi everyone, this is my oral presentation about English level 2, and there are four uh, points about this activity. The first one is introduce myself. The next talk about my trip experience in Lima, the weather in Lima. The last one, recommendations if you visit Lima, Peru. And there is another screen. I guide myself with this, okay? And let's do it. This is me. My name is Juan Tomás Aventaño Colmenares. I am a swimmer. I represent my city, my department, and my country in many events like national championships and international championships too. I love animals. Uh, this is my dog. His name is Manchi. And this is my experience in Lima. Let's see. It is this. Last holiday, I went to Lima, Peru, for a swimming championships too. I stayed there 1 month and went with my father and brother. I liked Lima, Peru, because its food was cheap and delicious. I just paid like 30 soles for a Peruvian chifa. I liked I like it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to the center of the city. It were many church, and inside it had a caves, and I like it a lot of because it was very interesting. I came back in January, 1 month ago, because I start studying in February. The weather in Lima, the weather in Lima changes every time. In the morning, it is usually cloudy, and then becomes sunny at night. Sometimes in the afternoon, it becomes warm, and finally in the night, it becomes cool. It's crazy the weather in Lima. Okay, this there is recommendations. It is important that you take many pictures in the places that you visit. It's necessary that you eat typical food there. It is a good idea that you make a new friends. It's a good idea that you walk in the parks. Um, if you want to visit Lima, Peru, you should check all the documents, your ID, passport, and cards. You should enlist your and clothes, you need to the trip. Finally, you should check the money to spend in your trip and take something more in case of emergency. What you should don't? You shouldn't finish your trip without souvenirs to your family and friends. You shouldn't starting your trip without saying goodbye to your family. You shouldn't leave your house. This is what I'm saying. Thank you so much.